You
You.
got beeping here again.
I know that's me.
Yes, you.
I'll turn the keypad off.
That's a good idea. That might be the problem. Yes, technology can be good to a certain point, and then when it goes wrong, it goes wrong.
Yeah, or it could be the fact of Chris.
Right. Okay.
So we've just been to the Coventry University stand.
Oh, right. I got this picture that you've been travelling on the train again to Coventry.
No, we're still in London. We haven't been to actual Coventry. You haven't sent us to Coventry yet.
Well, that's in the pipeline, don't worry.
Is it? Okay, do we really want to know this?
No, probably not.
Okay, and I am about to send you some photos that Will took. So
that's good.
Yeah.
I'll do some describing of what's in your photographs when they arrive on my phone.
They're the Coventry University stand. There should be 2 photos. How they do augmented reality and virtual reality. There's procedures for Jaguar, which is based in Solihull, and the universities in Coventry, so there's a bit of a distance.
Yeah, I can see them now in front of me. That screen looks big, doesn't it? Cracky. Yeah, big screen one, and then the chap talking in the lower one. That's good. I'll send those onto your Facebook page. How about that? Then get some flavour.
Yeah. Thank you.
You get some flavour.
Okay.
Sorry?
So, and basically that was. They also have links with Singapore, big building big ships and things, and what else? Crossroads. Yeah, some things with Crossrail, so, and how they can spread all over. Anyway, I'll hand the phone to Will.
Okay. It's great.
JT,
yeah, hey.
Look, I'm just going to mention LinkedIn because we only passed by them very quickly because we wanted to come back and phone you. But it does seem they're sort of expanding MOOC ideas just around a social network. So they've got a higher education approach. They connect with business, tech, and what they call creative. So creative includes 3D and animation, design, video. They don't mention radio for some reason.
Oh, they should do that, shouldn't they?
They should, you'd have thought. It comes out as video, I suppose.
Yes, video and sound, doesn't it, really? Yeah, everything's got sound on nowadays.
Yeah, so I think we'd still fit in there a bit.
Yeah.
And then the other bit is workplace learning. So I haven't had time to study this, but there's lots of comments about what they call EMEA, which is Europe, Middle East and Africa. We may not have realised it, but we're in EMEA.
Are we?
Apparently. In the LinkedIn world, that's how they think of it.
Well, I got the wrong uniform on then.
But I think that's it. I think I'll just pass you over to John. But just say goodbye. Wrap this up.
Goodbye, JD, and it's been cracking talking to you.
Yeah, thank you very much for your comments. They're very good, and we've filed them rather nicely.
Well, thank you. I'll pass you back to Will.
Okay. This is the trouble with phones, is that they keep one phone between them, which is good. It's
which
great.
Is good. So yeah, well, JT, look, I think we're basically just trying to say goodbye. We'll pass you back to Chris, just because we've nearly gone.
Yeah,
no, right.
We have nearly gone, so thank you, JD, and thank you for doing the show for me.
That's all right. The bill's in the post, okay?
I thought it might be. You don't get another pay rise.
Why not? God, dear.
He wants a pay rise.
Well, bring me
Yeah, I know.
He's got delusions of grandeur, Chris.
Yeah, I
We're
know.
going to find a coaching app somewhere in this show that could retrain him.
Well, Chris,
That's what we need.
Chris could bring that big telly back for me, which is in the photograph. I have that.
Sorry?
You can bring that big telly, which you've sent in a photograph to me. I have that.
Well, we can't go nick the telly from Coventry University. And anyway, how will we carry it on the track? I think a photo will just have to do.
Oh, rats. Okay, that would do. Suffice with that. Right?
Okay, well, we will, we won't ring in again because it's fast approaching the end of the show.
Right.
And I'm sure we might want some food soon.
Have you had your coffee? That's the main thing.
We had, we got a free coffee.
What?
Didn't.
Why didn't you? That I want. Get me a free coffee and send me one, quick.
Sorry, JD.
I said, get me a free coffee and send it to me quick.
Okay, well, it might get a bit cold, so we'll have to drink it.
Oh,
but
dear.
John sorted out free coffees this morning.
Well done, John. Excellent.
Thank you. I know.
10 out of 10.
We're needing to sort out some more free coffee.
Okay, well, off you go. Have fun.
Okay. Well,
right.
JD, have a good rest of the show.
Thank you, dear.
And we will speak to you soon.
Okay, then. Bye-bye.
Okay, and is JD going to the cafe?
I don't know. No, I'm not going down to that cafe. No, I'll probably go and find a proper coffee, something nice.
Terry will miss you.
Yeah, all right. Okay. Well, I'll see you anyway. If I scroll down there. Okay.
We'll speak to you soon or see you next week.
Yeah. Have a good journey home.
Okay. Well, have a great rest of the show.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.